A jury in Bayfield County has awarded a family nearly $19 million in a malpractice lawsuit against Essentia Health. Parents sued the health system and its doctors after their newborn baby boy suffered lifelong brain damage while in the care of Essentia Health's Ashland clinic. The child at the center of the lawsuit was born in February of 2013 and discharged from Ashland's Memorial Medical Center shortly after. Within days, he developed an infection that turned into meningitis and sepsis, which nearly killed him. Last week, jurors determined Essentia Health's clinic, where he was taken after he got sick, was 100% negligent in his care. The family was awarded money for past and future medical expenses, along with compensation for pain and suffering. Now, we reached out to Essentia for a response. In a statement today, they said they feel compassion for the family and to the care team and recognize cases like these are difficult for all involved. They say they were disappointed with the verdict and they stand behind the care provided in 2013. Hospital spokespeople added they are exploring their next step.